Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to this new week. So, this is a new week, and this is my first trade for the week. Today is Tuesday, and then this week I'm looking at. I'm selling good from this level here, and I'm targeting this level. It's not clear on the 1 hour time frame. So, this is where I'm targeting, and just at this point here, that's where I'm targeting. So, I'm currently floating little profit, little profit. So let me see how this trade goes. Please, I'll update you guys. Although this week rejection I'm seeing, like say gold is not ready to sell, but I'll update you guys on this trade. Yeah, what's up, guys? So this trade is still playing out, and then I want to break even now because it's currently retracing though. So I just want to put my stop loss to break even. So let me put it out. Let's see, 2900. So 29. Oh, still in lost though. Let me see. 2800. Let me see where my so guys, I've broken even on this trade. Let's see how it plays out. Yo, what's up, guys? And so I messed up. Seriously, I messed up, and I think if I continue with this bad habit, I'm not going to see progress or make progress in my trading journey. Um, as you guys saw in the previous clip, I I took a trade on gold. I saw this trade. I got in. I had a nice entry. I got in, and I shared the trade with you guys, which I showed. Now, this is what happened. This trade moved for a 1:1, a 1:1 RR, and then price, like there was so many weak rejection and price started rejecting. Price, the candle started rejecting, and then I started having this like thought of the trade wants to go against me, reverse against me, and then take me out. When this price went for 1:1, I had to break even, which you guys can see on my screen here. This BE, I broke even, and then price retraced, and then started going to hit my break even. So this was this candle here. It did not get to my break even. It did not take me out. The moment it like started selling down, I closed out of this trade. I jumped out, closing this trade in I think $15. Closing this trade in $15 profit. And then I was pissed at first when I saw that price had continued selling. And then when I went on the 30 minutes time frame, I saw that price has not really tested my level properly. It was just a break and then a minor retest that I used to get into this trade. So on the 30 minutes, it was clear that price has not come back to test my level, and on the 1 hour, it was clear. So what did I do? Since I closed early, I messed up. I had to look for another entry, which I did. Like steal my setup, steal my setup, everything. Like so, I went back. I went on the 5 minutes, and then I saw this pattern here, this M pattern, and then I waited for the break again, and then I entered on the retest. Now this trade is a 1:3 risk to reward. But what happened? Immediately price started selling, and then I saw this weak candle that like closed like this particular gold candle, this particular one you're seeing. I saw that price had put down, giving me a 1:1 risk to reward again, and then started rejecting. I was like, that fear of losing the profit which I'm seeing, that fear of taking that loss made me, I closed that on this trade. Immediately I saw the candle was rejecting. And then what happened? New York section came into play and then moved price aggressively to the downside, which you guys can see here. More than how many pips? Let me go on the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you guys. This was where I was targeting as my TP. Price smashed my TP and then continued selling. So let's calculate from this my point of my second entry. Sorry. Let's calculate from the point of this my second entry. Okay, let me just calculate from here. Yeah, this is the second entry. So watch. Price sold for 380 pips. 380 pips, and I missed out, ending today's trade with just 0.5%. Like my total profit for today was just 0.5%. And this comes down to like me not being disciplined as a trader, me holding my losing trades and allowing them hit LSL, and I'm not able to hold my winning trades to hit TP. And that's why you can see that I've not blown this account, not because of I don't know what I'm doing. I've not blown this account because of my risk management. Now, why I've not also not come out of drawdown is because I'm not like paying attention to my risk to reward. Like my trades are not always closing in 1:2. My trades are not always closing in 1:2. Now, from the data in my Marvin backend, I can see that my best trade was the one that I entered and then went out. I entered this trade and then went out to do something. I left my TP open, and coming back to the chart, price had spiked aggressively. I think that trade was it a buy trade or a sell trade? Price has spiked like aggressively, making me to get like close that trade in almost 1:3. That has been my best trade so far. So if I had been following this rule of setting my SS, setting my TP, and then set and forget, I think I would have gone out of drawdown. The reason I'm not gone out of drawdown is because I'm not paying out, like my trades are not always hitting 1:2. If my trades were always hitting 1:2, I would have been out of drawdown. Now I'm closing my trades in most times below 0, not even 1%, 0.5, below 0.5%. Like I was so pissed. That's why actually I did not even like make this video immediately. I was so angry at myself. And that's why I did not make this video immediately. I had to just close my laptop and continue beating myself. Now I went to my trading journal. I went to my trading plan rather. And I saw that what my plan says is that I should set and forget. No fear of holding trades. I should set and forget. Hold your trades to SL or TP. And then I'm not following my trading plan, and this messing my P and L so badly. Like I'm so angry. I'm angry, but I just have to put things in place. I just have to be a disciplined trader. Like I'm not a disciplined trader right now. I'm sincerely speaking, I'm not. I FOMO, fear of loss. Like I'm fear to take loss. I'm fear to like lose that profit, that running profit. I'm fear to lose it. That's what has just been happening to me recently. Like, and this was the same thing that happened to me when I was on the challenge phase. It happened to me when I passed and got funded. My few withdrawals, this same thing of not holding my trades happened to me, and this is a major problem. Not even now, it's not even about the strategy. I know I had losing streak for some while, but now that my setup are playing accordingly, playing perfectly, it's time for me to like maximize on it. But then I'm not holding my trades. So I just wanted to share this with you guys and also document it on here. And then what I want to do now is that I want to be following my trading plan. I will have a checklist once I get into a trade, and once I close out of that trade, I will have a checklist. Did I follow my plan? Did I do what was necessary? If I do what is necessary and I still take loss, it's a win for me. But if I don't and I take loss, then it's loss. It's a losing trade for me. So this is what has just been happening. So I just want to tell you guys, this is my first trade for the week, and let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what the account looks like. No, look at my close position. I closed today with $27 when I would have made almost $65 to $75 on this account, which is 1.5%, because I was already 0.5% to like catch 1:3, which is 1:2 is 1%, which is $50, and the other one is $25. I would have made a clean $75 so I can bring my account up again, but instead I just misbehave totally. I'm angry at myself, but I'll still come back, and then because I cannot continue. Like if I continue this, I'm going to lose. So this video is already getting too long. Let me just end it here. I will see you guys on the next clip. Today is Tuesday. If I see a trade during the course of the week as the week is going, I will still document it here and show you guys. So thank you. See you guys on the next clip. Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back. So I took this trade yesterday because today is Friday, 3 in the morning, as I'm making these videos. I took this trade yesterday, but I could not record. So I entered for this trade from this level here. I was supposed to enter here, but when this candle was like buying, but I just wanted the candle to close because the buys were aggressive. I said no. If I get in, price might likely take me out. So I just had to wait, and then I later got in here. So when I got in here, price went against me. I had some little drawdown, and then price started selling. And then just the moment he got to this point here, this level here, I just had to close that, and price sold for some pips and then reversed. So here's the close position. Just close that at $14. Not even the 1:1 week story reward, but it's all good. So for this week, I think I've not had any loss. Just the only loss I had was me not holding my trade. That trade was a loss for me. That first trade for the week I did not hold. I think so. That was a loss for me. So that was it. So it was only this trade I took, and I'm not sure I'm going to trade today. That is Friday. Let me not give my profit to the market. I just wanted to update you guys on this trade. What's up, guys? So I ended up taking only two trades for this week, and then I was able to just make $41, not up to 8%, and that's because I could not hold my winning trades. So going to this week, this new week, I'll try my best to make sure I stay disciplined in holding my place to TPO. Yes, sir, because I noticed that is one of my major problems now. You get. So that was it. So if you're watching my video, if you like what I'm doing here, because I come on here to share my journey, how I plan on going from 5k to 50k in funding, it's not been an easy journey. Emotional pain, mental stress, like it's not easy at all. So if you like seeing this kind of content, kindly like, subscribe, and then turn on post notifications, so anytime I get to drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified and the first to watch it. So I'll see you guys on my next video. If you're looking for a Propfirm to trade with, I trade with Marvin, and then you can check the link in the description to get an account with them. And also my Telegram community is open. If you want to join, check the link in the description and join. Very soon I'll be closing the community because I don't want too much. I just want serious minded traders in there. So very soon the link will not be available. So if you're interested, kindly click the link and then join the community. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out, guys. Stay safe.